how to make a nurse cup.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna make a nurse cup.
Okay, so let's start. You need what's this? Band paper, a crayon, yes, and a scotch tape.
And scissors.
Yes. First, fold the paper to the center. Up to this part. Yes, that's it. Then press it. Good job. You're doing great. Next is twist it. Twist it to the back and then fold two sides to the center to make a triangle. You need to press it in order to make a good fold. Yes, that's it. You're doing good. Then get a tape and take two small slices of tape. Tape the center of the triangle. And then fold the upper part of the triangle to make a good shape for the nurse cup. Then put the tape on it so that it will be secure. Then twist it again. Next, draw a cross using red crayon or any red color. Then make it thicker. Okay, then you need to just open it to the center and it's done. Yes, we have a nurse cup, easy nurse cup.
That's the nurse cup. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.